Hey there, it's Tana here from Textdrip, and today we're going to go over our most useful tool, audit messaging. Now, to find audit messaging, we're going to go to the left-hand side of Textdrip, and we're going to scroll all the way down to audit messaging. Before we get started, I know what you're thinking. What exactly is audit messaging within Textdrip? Well, it is your go-to feature for tracking message delivery. With audit message, you can easily see whether each message you have sent actually made it to your contact, or if it ran into any issues along the way. No more wondering if delivery problems are affecting your response rate. You get a real-time update on delivery status, giving you full visibility into your message performance. Here at Textdrip, transparency is absolute key. We want to make sure that you're always in the loop. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with delivery rate overview. Before we dive into details, here are some important things to know. At the top of each page, you'll see your delivery rate, which updates every 3 hours. This is going to give you a really quick snapshot on how your messages are actually performing. What you'll see in Audit Message, for every message you'll send, you'll be able to view the recipient number, the content of the message, your delivery status, and the date and time it was actually sent. We're going to actually start up here with the outbound messaging. Now, this is where you'll find all your sent messaging, including those from drip campaigns. You'll also see delivery stats for the day and what messages were actually successfully delivered or failed. Here's how you can filter your outbound messaging. First things first, you can search by recipient. If you're looking for a specific contact, go ahead and just type in their phone number here. Next, you can actually select through campaign. If you're running multiple campaigns, you can filter by campaign and track the performance more easily. Next, you can also select by phone numbers. If you're using different phone numbers, this is how you're going to keep it organized here. Next, we're going to have the delivery status. You can check for deliver or failed messaging here. You can quickly view all your message status. Now, remember, deliver is a green box. Failed messaging is actually a red box. And always remember, if you click on any failed messaging, you'll be able to see the exact error code to understand exactly why it did not go through. Now, we also have the date filter. So this way, if you need to check for a specific date, you can actually use this to filter by date. And then we also have your delivery rate. This monitors how many messages were actually sent and fresh for you every 180 minutes. Now, we also have your total messages sent. This way, you're able to see the number of messages sent for that day, or you can actually select a different day to view the past activity. Always remember that all search parameters must be paired with a specific date. Let's go ahead and switch over to the inbound messaging. This way you can actually review your inbound messaging or messages you actually received for that day. We have all those same key features. You can search messages by entering the phone number again. You can always select the phone number to easily review the response back number used. This also helps to track your compliance rate for each phone number. You can also use the date to filter, analyze, engage patterns by selecting certain days. Once again, you can also use the response rate. This helps to view the percentage of lead to reply. This is really great at managing your campaign's effectiveness. And a quick navigation tip is that if you're viewing a drip campaign, so let's go ahead and go to our drip campaigns. And if we open up an actual drip campaign, you can scroll down, and if you see that you have any failed messages, you can click on the failed message box, and look, it's going to take you directly back to audit messaging. Audit messaging takes the guesswork out of message tracking. You'll always know if you're texting reaching the right people. Using inbound message tools, you'll be able to gain a valuable insight to your customers' behavior and help to improve your outreach strategy. Now, for more information about audit messaging, you can always book another demo. You can always use our help tabs, or you can go to textdrip.com. Now, remember, subject to change as we continue to grow and update. Thanks, everybody. Bye.